Hey y'all, this is Marie and my oldest daughter, Shelby, Random Okie Farms. She is going to come along with us today and do weekly highlights. Are you excited? I hope you guys come along and enjoy. We're fixing to head and see the new baby.
Butter, butter,
Yeah.
baby.
Butter, butter. Ooh, sunglasses, sun.
So tiny.
Oh my goodness!
He's darker.
Butter, your baby's precious. Hey, girl.
Yeah,
Hi, little one. You can pour a little on the ground, babe. If you're getting nervous, like if they're eating it too fast, just pour a little line. Okay. There.
covered in bobber.
Oh. Hey, Butter. Oh. She ran over to the other mamas. Hey, Mama. Well, not Mama. But... Are you getting the Butter sweet little baby to run off?
He just made a noise. He went like...
Oh. Hey, beautiful. Butter, let me see. Your baby does not want to be seen. We just thought we were going to get to see the baby. Well, if the baby doesn't want to get seen, it's not going to happen.
Oh, wait.
Huh. We can see you from a distance. I love how cows just take care of each other's babies.
That's what piggies do, too.
Pardon?
That's what piggies do, too.
Piggies, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, at least the Cooney Coons.
Yeah.
Other breeds, not so much.
Okay, Butter, I'll pour you some more.
Let me see if I can see the little one from over here. You're so good, Butter. It's a girl! Hello, little one.
Look at his little tail.
Oh my goodness. We officially know. All right, so Butter's baby is a girl. And our name options that we're down to is Butterscotch, Nutter Butter, or Butterbean.
Butterbean.
Butterbean?
Yes.
Is that what you picked, Shelby?
Yes. Butterbean.
All right. Shelby has officially named the calf
Butterbean.
Butterbean. You guys had some great ideas. I loved them.
There's butter and there's Butterbean.
Yeah, and we got to head over and we're going to announce the rooster name too. Butterbean. Oh my goodness, you guys are so good at coming up with names. Did you know I lost a bet on your name?
Yeah, oh yeah, I know. I figured that out a long time ago. So she thought I was going to be a boy.
Yep.
She was going to name me Levi. And they said, Dad said, if I'm a girl, he's going to name me. If I'm a boy, Mom's going to name me Levi.
Yep.
And when I came, I was a girl and became Shelby after my dad's best friend.
Yep.
That's funny.
Yep. Sierra was going to be Levi too if she was a boy.
Because he always thought that name was pretty.
I love that name. I love Levi. Carrot Cake. Carrot Cake, you're a muddy mess. Are you the most handsomest piggy?
He is very muddy.
He is muddy.
There's nothing in there.
Oh, the treats are already gone. I gave you treats on the way.
There's nothing in there.
I gave you some lovin's, even though you're so crusty and muddy. Ooh. I have a drink in my pocket, and the other pig came over to try and eat it.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey, Bambi. Are you the most beautifulest goat? Huh? Well, sheep.
Oreo.
Yeah, let's go on the other side and love him. Mm-hmm.
She's so beautiful.
She is. Oreo is so sweet. He always loves attention. Tiny. Hey, Houdini, are you being ornery? Yep. I believe it. Hello, everyone.
Look how tiny her water is. Too.
Yeah. Hey, Oreo. Oreo loves his lovin's. Hey, Belle. Hey, sweetheart. How are you? She's like, you're hanging out next to the billy goat, and he's tried to thump me a time or two. Tiny wants the attention. She doesn't want to share it with Wee Wee.
He's so tiny. And just...
Yeah. Hello. Hey, Bambi. Oh, she's not happy. She is not coming over since Belle's next to me. So one thing about Belle that I've noticed with going through the pasture, she will definitely keep all the animals away from me that she's not sure about. One thing that she's not sure about is billy goats. Wee man! Hello, Wee Wee. How are you?
His eyelashes.
His beautiful eyelashes. He is the sweetest goat.
It's pet.
Mm-hmm.
Pet. Wait.
Yes. He's like, carry me and love me and tell me how wonderful I am.
See if he'll just stay like this on his head.
Yeah.
I'm a cool goat now.
All right, well, let's continue on. I'm getting sidetracked. It's easy, though. Good morning. Good morning, handsome. Hello, beautiful.
Oh my, look how cool it is. He is now.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that one.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but that one name should be Fire Picks.
Hello, turkeys. These are Fefe's turkeys, and their patterning is so cool. I can't wait to see them as adults. Hello, ladies. I love their little poofs on their heads when they eat. Aren't they cute?
Yeah.
Oh, man, that turkey was, like, pushed the thing down. It's like, give me, ooh.
Someone's being a little sassy.
Ooh, sassy pants. You can share.
Even a duck tried to come.
There's plenty for everyone. She's being a little hateful. All right, you guys, you had some awesome name ideas, and everybody's favorite was Einstein. So, meet Einstein. You guys are so good at naming. Thank you so much. It's a lot of fun, and I think it fits him perfectly. Huh. You're so handsome, Einstein.
window. Check, check. Here comes Candy Cane.
Candy cane.
Candy, candy, candy cane.
And the most handsomest man, Peppermint.
Oh, get scared.
He's so flighty.
I don't know. Brony Pony. Oh my. Teeny tiny pony. Here comes another handsome man. So cute how he walks.
Dudley knows he's handsome. Miss Feather.
She's so cute.
Rainbow Dash.
And
Starlight. And Snow Cone. All right, well, we got them all moved over here. They'll be here for a couple hours, and then we'll move them further on down the row. I do leave it open since it's sunny. They can always go back up to the shade. But everybody is looking wonderful. Huh?
It looks so cool faded.
It faded fast though.
It looks cool.
I've never had it fade like that before, but this is also my first time dyeing his hair.
It looks really cool because it looks like a purple, then another pink, and then a blue, and then a green, and then white.
Yeah. All right. Hey, Jack Jack. He always goes for the wild lettuce first. That's his favorite. Aw. So funny.
Fluffy. Fluffy but old.
Mm-hmm.
Brony Pony.
Hey, handsome. Hey, beautiful. Hey, cutie pie. She's a pretty girl. She's a pretty girl. Hey, Peppermint. He's
more and more lines as he gets older.
Yeah, he is. He's beautiful. He's letting us get closer and closer, but he is still so flighty. Huh, cutie pie? You need to get him to be as sweet and lovable as you.
Precious.
Yes. Sunshine is like, I am not about that life.
No, and she even knows. Now the cat. Now he's gonna try to get the cat play. That's why I thought Sheba and Snoopy would have been best friends.
Yeah, I'm sure they will. Oh. Sheba!
Eat it, Sheba. Eat it, Sheba. Don't play. Oh, watch out for the puppy.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta watch out for the puppy. Come here. Want to play.
Yeah, you better pick up Kiwi.
That couldn't be Willard, is it? No.
What you doing, Kiwi?
He's ready for bed.
Yeah.
He went to
he's
the
so
office and
tired.
tried looking for me.
He said, "I'm so sleepy, Mom."
He's like, your belly's not comfy.
Yeah. He's like, "I know. I'm not fluffy enough. It's not a good thing."
Oh, poor Kiwi.
You need a blankie. Oh,
Maybe he's trying to tell you he wants underneath the shirt.
there we go. Are you good now?
You look so tired.
Kitty, Snoopy. Go, Snoopy, go. Kitty. Go, Snoopy. Are you a wild man? Are you wild? He wants me to chase him. Snoopy! He's a wild man. Ooh, 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 I'm gonna get you, Snoop. I'm gonna get you. Are you wild? Are you tired now? You sweet baby. Snoopy's the sweetest, huh? The turkey's trying to figure out what kiwi is. You guys are so cute. Are you guys best friends? Snoopy and Kiwi just love each other. they sit in this little bed and just play and play and play till they're wore out.
Till Kiwi's wore out.
Yeah, till Kiwi's wore out. But Snoopy's so gentle. Are you tired? You guys are so sweet. All right, y'all, we are at Lake Murray hanging out, doing a little paddle boarding, and on the creek is some vultures. They look like a different type, and they are eating fish, so I don't know if you guys know what type these are. They just look different. They have black heads instead of red heads. Do you guys know what type they are, or like they just younger or something? But I thought this was really interesting, getting to hang out, and this is not something that I've seen before, them just eating a fish just right off the bank. So you guys let me know if you know what kind they are. They look so different. Whew, got a whiff of that fish. It is stinky. Are you jealous? Snoopy was coming over to play with William, and Jack's like, I'm jealous. Hey, Kiwi, what do you got? You guys are chewing up a baby doll, you little toots.
That's his baby doll.
Yeah.
I would not take that baby doll from him.
He's so precious. Do you love your baby doll? And he has like a glove over here that is his now.
He has quite a collection.
Oh, Snoopy said my baby doll.
Well, Snoopy could actually do some damage on that doll.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's so cute.
Hey, Snoop. How are you, Snoopy? Hey, Stanley. Are you enjoying some grass? How's it going? You said stop talking to him. Talk to me. Hey, Jack. Hey, Ryder. Hello, sweetness.
buddy. So I need a treat.
Is that delicious? Snoopy, are you jealous? Are you jealous that we're talking to Stanley? You find him eating watermelon interesting as well? I guess Stanley's even puppy TV. Snoopy's used to just hanging out with me, and I like to watch all the critters. And so does he. Got a little bit of grass. You say you need some kisses. Snoopy's requiring kisses behind the camera. Hey, Stanley. You say that's enough watermelon? You guys are so funny. You're gonna make him mad, Snoopy. You better leave his watermelon alone. You need a piece of watermelon. You need your own piece. Okay, let's go get you a piece. Sierra, tell us what you're making. She's working on baking.
Yeah, I would have the box, but I accidentally threw it in the trash can. But I know some people don't like icing, so I'm gonna do half icing and half not. And I'm making these Epic. Here's the brand name, Epic cream cheese flavored icing, and this is called the cinnamon muffin one.
Oh, cool. Sierra likes baking.
Which side should I do?
Whichever. Let's go with this side.
Stick. I might need a knife.
Oh, I think maybe we should put it in some warm water. Warm up the icing, yeah. So it'll spread better. All right. Well, you put it in some warm water. You want to dry it off, babe?
Yeah. I'm just gonna do a bloop.
A bloop?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you have a special blooping technique?
Yeah. Gonna look like that.
Mm-hmm. They are looking lovely.
Thank you.
You did a good job. Have you taste tested it yet?
Yeah, that was huge, and I was going off the edge, and it had broke off, so I just ate it.
Was it delicious? Awesome.
This is the type of food if you really like cinnamon.
Yeah. Well, thank you for making beautiful muffins.
Thank you for letting me make the beautiful muffin. It's going off the edge.
Oh, well, it'll be fine. Jack, are you wanting to see what we're up to? Huh? He says we're in the kitchen. We must be making delicious things. Huh? Hey, Snoop. Hey, Snoop. Hey, Ryder. Hello. Does everybody need a treat? So the dogs are rotten, and Jack only likes these duck treats. Huh. There you go, Snoop. Here you go, Ryder. There you go, Jack. Oh, you are rotten. He says that is not good enough. It's either that or cheese. You are rotten. He has me well trained. Sorry, it's hard to open the cheese slice one-handed. It's okay, I love fake cheese too. Is it delicious? You two are rotten. I want to say thank you for coming along with us this week. I really hope that you enjoyed getting to hang out with me and Shelby a little bit and see a little bit of our week and a little bit of our life. And if you like this video, I think you'll like this video right here. Until next time, embrace your random. Bye-bye.
Bye.